Hello. I may be basically housebound, bedbound because of ME-CFS, but I am still making great stuff. And my creativity is boosting. And it is amazing what you can do only with little steps and not every day, but over weeks and months. And at the end, you are assembling a really great piece. And all this by lying down in the bed. Yeah, and things are moving. And it is amazing. Look at this. Yeah, but difficult. Now we have it. 80 centimeters. It will be full with flowers. You can see the flowers over here. I made these flowers over the last month. In bed. Even when I felt really, really bad. And I just made them. And when I thought I am so crazy, I just got on. And then I had to structure them. And I knew I want to make this piece, and then I thought, I'm so crazy, how will I do this? And now I'm doing it. Look at it. It is great. And I'm doing it from bed. And I'm making this video to give you hope if you have the same disease or another disease or a bunch of diseases like I have, because it's not only ME-CFS. I'm so fed up, but when I see this, and it's so beautiful, and it gives hope. So I don't know. So this video is for you, just if you need a bit of hope in whatever situation you are, and the video is for me as well to remind me, even though your health can be like devastated by whatever it is, you still have some kind of control. And you always can do something. And you can do more of what you think of. So I will go on with this. Here, see, 80 centimeters. And me and my bed, I will go on with this. And I wish you all the best and see you next time. Bye.
Creamondivity.